The Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo is a high-end appliance designed to streamline your laundry routine. This all-in-one unit combines a washer and dryer into a single, sleek design, offering convenience and efficiency. Let's delve into the key features and performance of this innovative appliance. Key features: AI-powered optimization. The Bespoke AI Laundry Combo utilizes artificial intelligence to analyze fabric types and soil levels, automatically adjusting the wash cycle for optimal results. Large capacity. With a spacious drum, this combo can handle larger loads, reducing the frequency of laundry days. Ventless design. The heat pump technology eliminates the need for venting, making installation more flexible and saving space. Smart connectivity. Control the appliance remotely using the SmartThings app, monitor its status, and receive notifications when the cycle is complete. Eco-friendly operation. The heat pump dryer is energy efficient, helping you save on utility bills. Performance and user experience. Cleaning power. The washer effectively removes stains and odors, leaving your clothes clean and fresh. Drying efficiency. The heat pump dryer quickly and efficiently dries clothes, without excessive heat damage. Quiet operation. The Bespoke AI Laundry Combo operates quietly, minimizing noise disturbances. User-friendly interface. The intuitive controls and clear display make it easy to navigate and select the appropriate settings. Pros and cons. Pros. Convenience. The all-in-one design saves space and time. Efficiency. The AI-powered features and heat pump technology optimize performance and energy consumption. Smart features. Remote control and notifications add convenience. Ventless installation. Flexible placement options. Cons. Price. The Bespoke AI Laundry Combo is a premium appliance with a higher price tag. Drying time. While efficient, drying times may be slightly longer compared to traditional vented dryers. Overall, the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo is a high-quality appliance that offers a combination of convenience, efficiency, and smart features. If you're looking for a premium laundry solution that can simplify your life, this combo is definitely worth considering.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.